All right, today I just wanted to show you how to spend a little bit of time navigating and how to find some of your Google SketchUp assignments. So I am going to show you this in just this Google Classroom setup for a Cabinetry 3 this trimester. But if you have me for Cabinetry 1, the process will be the same. Your Google Classroom and assignments might look a little different, but the process will be the same. So come up to classwork, and we have this unit right here, unit 3, project design. So once we're going to spend quite a bit of time in here doing our designing and our project design, we're going to use the software called Google SketchUp. So I just want to show you how to navigate this unit and the assignments in here and show you a main document that we are going to use that has tutorial videos on there of how to use Google SketchUp and some other information for you on completing your assignments. So let's just do one together. So this first thing, this video, this is what it is right now. It's just how to do the SketchUps. But after this, on days 9 through 11, all right, and I'll always tell you what day we're on. So after you watch this video, you want to complete step 1 and step 2. Well, where are step 1 and step 2? I have provided this Google Doc link for you right here. And it says, make sure you watch all the video links for step 1 and 2, and the videos will help you with most of the questions you have. There are additional videos highlighted that are additional help, tips, tricks, videos. Pause, rewind, rewatch these videos as many times as you need to do that. And with Google SketchUp, there'll be either myself or another instructor from another high school showing you how to do the assignments. And there's lots of tutorials, like I said. So if you have to rewind stuff, do that until you get it right. So all of these assignments, here's days 12 through 14, 15 and 16. You're going to access the same document, but I've put the link in every day so you don't get lost or confused with it. So if I just click on step number 2 here, open it up, here's what the document looks like. All right, and it has a little example of the project we're all going to draw using Google SketchUp. If I scroll down a little bit, it says it's worth 132 points. So it's got some information, directions at the top. And then as you go down, it has step 1, step 2. So they're highlighted in green. Step 3, step 4. All right. And then it says how many points each assignment's worth. So for days 9 through 11, it says you're going to complete steps 1 and 2. Step number 1 says you need to click on SketchUp. That'll bring you to their website, and you need to create an account. And I also have a video link of how to do that. So just watch this video, sign up for a Google SketchUp account. When you're done with that, you're going to come down and do step number 2. Watch the intro video to SketchUp. So here's the link right here. Complete the practice assignment demonstrated in the video and submit it on Google Classroom. Make sure you save your project along the way. In the blue highlights right here, there's also a couple other links, and these are helpful videos to you as you're starting to learn how to use SketchUp. So this one is how to save a drawing to your Google Drive, and then that's going to be the way you're going to always save it to your Drive, and then you're going to submit it to your Google Classroom. But if you save it in your Drive, we should never lose it. As you move down, it says how to copy and move video. So some of the first helpful tips and tricks, you're going to want to watch that video. And then I have a stop sign that says stop. Submit a picture of your practice assignment. So a lot of your SketchUp assignments, you're going to just save it as a picture, so a JPEG or a .png, and you're going to save that to your Google Drive. And then from there, you can drop it right into your Google Classroom and then mark, turn it in. All right, and we'll talk about this in class too, and I'll walk you through this. But with all of these design unit steps, so step 2, step 3, you're going to always access this document. All right, and you just make sure you stay on the step. The step's highlighted in green, like I said before. I give you links, and then I tell you when to stop and when to submit it. There's also pictures over here of what the various steps should look like as you're drawing in SketchUp. And if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see what your final project will look like when we're done with step 8. Hopefully this video helps. If you have questions, make sure you're asking me either in our morning meetings, or if you want to email me or set up a private Google Meet, we can do that too.